The time is 5:45 p.m. and we are exploring another beach in Cyprus. This is Vrysoudi Beach. And the sun is about to set. And this beach has also the EU blue flag that you can see waving over there. And the sun is slowly but steadily setting down. And yes, this is the 10th beach I visit today on this wonderful 2nd of September. And actually not the last one, because I'm going to visit one more later to tick it off as well. And this is day 6 of my Cyprus vacation, and it has been a blast so far. And I'm sad that tomorrow is the last day and I'm departing to Stockholm at 23:50 late in the evening. But I'm happy because I'm going to continue my Sweden beach adventures. That's going to be like 30 degrees like here. It's going to be quite colder. Actually, they said next week is going to be nice and warm, up to 22 degrees, which is unusual for September and for one of the most northernmost countries in the world. But yeah, you can see Vrysoudi Beach here at the sunset. The most beautiful sunset that is coming up soon. And there are some beach resorts. I see one called Crystal Springs. So now most of the beach is covered in shadow at this time of the day. And yes, I'm sharing interesting facts about Cyprus in all of my Cyprus videos. And for this video, the fact would be that despite being a summer destination and having more than 320 Sundays in the year, Cyprus does have a ski resort, and it's one of the most southernmost, actually the most southern ski resort in Europe. Well, technically not, because Cyprus lies in Asia, but yeah, there is a ski resort here in Cyprus that you can ski on, and it's located somewhere in the Mount Olympus, or also known as Atrodos. So that's quite a different picture than this beach over here. as you can see. Okay, think we need to wrap up this video that I'm showing you from Vrysoudi Beach in Cyprus, and this beach is part of Pernera, actually. The border between Paralimni and Pernera ends right next to the beach over here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some beautiful footage from the beach and the sunset that is coming in shortly, and also the EU blue flag, as this is one of the 45 beaches in Cyprus that has gained that status for safety and cleanliness on the beach. Alright, that's a wrap. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!